Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you, or show you how to refill ink in Epson L14150, or how to refill ink in Epson EcoTank L14150. This is very easy and quick guys. Just follow me. So now, let's start. First, open the scanner unit with the document cover closed. Just like this. Second, open the ink tank cover. Just like this, friends. Third, open the ink tank cap. Make sure that the color of the ink tank matches the ink color that you want to refill. Here, while holding the ink bottle upright, turn the cap slowly to remove it. You can check the upper line in the ink tank. Open the ink tank cap. Align the top of the ink bottle with the filling port, and then insert it straight into the port to fill ink to the upper line. When you insert the ink bottle into the filling port for the correct color, ink starts pouring and the flow will stop automatically when the ink reaches the upper line. If the ink does not start flowing into the tank, remove the ink bottle and reinsert it. However, do not reinsert the ink bottle when the ink has reached the top line, otherwise ink may leak. And do not allow the top of the ink bottle to hit against any objects after removing its cap, otherwise ink may spill. When you have finished filling the ink, remove the ink bottle. If any ink remains in the ink bottle, tighten the cap and store the bottle upright for later use. Close the ink tank cap securely. When you insert the ink bottle into the filling port for the correct color, ink starts pouring and the flow will stop automatically when the ink reaches the upper line. If the ink does not start flowing into the tank, remove the ink bottle and reinsert it. Now, close the ink tank cover firmly. And close the scanner unit carefully. After you close it completely, you can open it now and start your printing.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.